Hello Nev's fam, this is Nev from Nev's Lifestyle and I'm back with another recipe which is a yogurt cake. So let's see how we did it. So here are the ingredient list: milk, thick yogurt, milk powder, condensed milk, Kewra water and cardamom powder. So take a bowl, something like this, and first pour the milk, and again the quantity will be in the description box. So the next thing is milk powder, and you have to firstly mix this really well. So after mixing, the next thing goes in is the thick yogurt. There should not be any water. It should be pure thick yogurt. And you have to mix this really well because there shouldn't be any yogurt lumps or any other lumps in this. So mix it really well. So after mixing, add the condensed milk. Again, the quantity will be in the description box, so don't worry about that. And the next thing is mixing and mixing. So mix. So the next thing we are putting is the Kewra water. I don't know what you say in English, but if I find it, I will put it somewhere in the video. Again, the quantity will be in the description box, and just mix it. So use a container like this. We are going to steam it. You can use a a container in which you make a cake. So you can use the same thing, but we are going to steam. So we are going to put the cardamom powder before we put it for steam, and then just cover it with the aluminum foil. And you have to also put some water for boiling, like we did in my previous cooking video, which was rava idli. So like you see here, because we are going to put for steaming, so use whatever steaming container or vessel, whatever you have with you. And as you see, we just put it nicely, and making sure that the aluminum foil is tight and everything is good and tight. So I think it takes about 40 minutes to make, but you can check in between to see if it is cooked or not. Just use a toothpick and you can see whether it's cooked or not. So again, when it comes out clean, it means it's cooked, and like you see here. And then take a plate like this and flip over like we do for cakes, and then just tap slightly so that everything comes out, and you see how they are. And the yummy yogurt cake is ready to eat. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell, and also follow me on all my social media, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.